Oh. Oh. That's actually easy. It was really easy for me to do. I didn't even have to use scissors to cut it off. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I loosen my butterfly locks, the easiest way to loosen your butterfly locks, and I'm also going to be giving you the pros and the cons of the butterfly locks. If you want more of this content, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to get notified when next I post. So if you've not seen a video of me making this butterfly locks, I'm going to be dropping the link somewhere here. I really need to know where this link thing is. Somewhere here for you to watch. So make sure you click to watch the video. Ever since I made this butterfly locks, it's always been inside my hair bonnet. I don't used to, wear it out like that because I don't really go out. But today, I'm going to be loosening this out. Okay. So, guys, pros of this, or let me start with the cons. The cons of this hair is probably the tightness, the pressure on the scalp, because in a bid to make sure that the hair is firm enough, I'll be applying too much pressure on your scalp. But when I was making mine, I didn't apply too much pressure. I didn't tighten my scalp too much. So I think that's why I'm having loose, should I say loose roots? Yeah. So the hair in the scalp region is very loose. I feel like that's the only issue. So for the pros, I would say one thing I've noticed is that the rougher this hair gets, the prettier it looks. I could still carry this for a month and more than a month if I want to, but I'm not the type to not touch my head in like 2 weeks or in a week. I'm already even feeling tired of it. I think I carried this for way too long. So that's one of the reasons why I don't want to carry this for too long. And if I actually plan on carrying it for a long time, all I just have to do is remake the front, just the front part. So it's like the rougher it gets, the better it is. Then that aside, it's like a protective style. It's not even like a protective style. It is a protective style due to the fact that I have to like make my hair in braids or in twist, then chook it inside this thing is enough protection for me, because my ends are always the tips of my head, the ends of my hair are always really prone to breakage. So most of the times I need something that would overshadow or that would protect the tips of my hair. So this style is like a go-to area for me if I want to protect my hair from ash weather. Then I made this hair when Amatan was like really out there. I made it December. Yeah, I made it December. I carried it for New Year. Amatan is the godfather of hair breakage, if you know what I mean. So that's one of the reasons why I decided to make this style. And I feel like my ends, the tips of my hair, are probably really thanking me right now because they've been well secured inside this synthetic hair. So that's another pro. I think, yeah, then the fact that I can style it whichever way I want to. So if you've not seen a video on 10 different ways that I styled this butterfly locks, I'm going to be dropping the link here. So make sure you watch the video so you don't just make the hair and be wondering how you want to pack it. Then I love the fact that I didn't use a passion twist to make this hair. It's not like I've used passion twist before, but I've heard a lot of people on YouTube complain about passion twist, or probably the kind of hair they used. Some complain that it gets tangled and stuff. I used Expression Collection Bouncy Kinky and I didn't experience that. It was very obedient. It actually looked as if the Expression Collection was really just made for butterfly locks alone, because it was so obedient. It wasn't stressing me out. I didn't have to pull and almost rip it off my head. So I think I like the Expression collection bouncy kinky hair that I used for this, and it just makes it really really look good. I just like the way my hair feels right. So right now I'm just going to try to loosen this hair, and I hope I can get like the best method, because I really don't want to do this, but I know I have to do it. So shall we? Where should we start from? Okay, let me start from this. Ooh, so looking for the wrappings, the tip of, I don't plan on using this hair again, so why don't I just look for that means to just cut it off. Okay, so what I'm just going to try and do right now is to unravel the beginning of this butterfly locks, unravel it a bit so I can remove my braided hair from the synthetic hair, if you get what I mean. I didn't use a crochet hook when I was making this, so this should be a bit easier for me. All I did was just to braid my hair with the synthetic hair a bit just to secure the roots. Then I just decided to wrap round, you know, the normal wrapping. So I'm just going to unravel this. I'm going to try to unwrap this. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Oh wow. So I think I found my hair. Then I'm going to bring it out gently. Then because I braided the root of my hair with this, I might have to look for a way to just remove this. Oh. 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 That's actually easy. It was really easy for me to do. I didn't even have to use scissors to cut it off. Okay. 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 So let's do this one more time. Unravel in the opposite direction. Unravel this way. Look for your braided hair. Found out. Try to remove gently. Then unbraid. Then try to pull it out. So I'm just going to try to pull out the synthetic hair from my hair. And voila, that's it. Very simple, yeah. I'm going to be showing you when I'm done unraveling the rest of my hair. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, I'm done loosening my hair. There you go. See? And this took roughly 15 to like 17 minutes, and it was that long because I was watching movies in between. So my hair is still very moisturized, and I don't plan on washing it today or tomorrow or maybe next tomorrow, because I have to like take a whole day for my wash day, and I don't even have that strength right now. So I'm going to be carrying this hair for maybe 3 days or thereabouts. Then I'm going to wash it afterwards. So this is how my hair is going to look like. This is what my hair is going to be like till I'm ready to wash. So because I wouldn't want my tips to, you know, suffer for my laziness, I'm just going to tuck in my tips, or better still, I'll take each braid, then just wrap them this way, just like you wrap your butterfly locks, yeah. So I'm just going to wrap it this way. Then I'm going to leave it. So this way my ends are protected from breakage and I don't have to worry about my hair breaking. So we've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for sticking by. Thank you for not tuning out. So if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified when next I post. And I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Bye guys.